Hello there, welcome to first AutoCAD tutorial. I'm Furkan Gedik. In this video, I will give brief information about the AutoCAD interface. There is a file menu on the top left. You can open new project, save, and export in here. Like other programs. We will learn more export formats at the later videos. And next to quick access toolbar, there is frequently used commands. You can add commands here. Actually, easier to use shortcuts. For example, Undo has a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl Z, and press Ctrl N to open new file. In here, all the other tools, basic tools such draw, modify, layer, are in the home class. We learn all tools later videos. The big part we see in the middle, it's a viewport. You can see, change and move drawings in here. And also AutoCAD have command line. For example, you can press L and enter instead of click on the toolbar to draw a line. If you pull up the command line, you can see past events. Now stay closed. At the bottom right are drafting tools. It's very important. You can active snap and grid modes, you set reference points, and you can change the scale. And in here, you can switch to other AutoCAD interface. I think after finishing AutoCAD 2D tutorial, we will start 3D parts. Finally, you can reach the AutoCAD help page from above. The AutoCAD help page is very famous. You can find any problems in here. Okay, we learned basic AutoCAD interface. Thanks for watching. See you later.